عيري فيك.
Say again.
عيري فيك.
Are you confused?
Huh?
Are you confused?
What you are doing here exactly?
If you listen, you may understand.
I don't want to listen. Give me the conclusion.
Look at this man.
Yeah.
Typical Islamic specimen. Please take a look.
He says
He comes here, he asks me what am I doing, and I said if you listen.
No one give a shit. No one give a shit. No one give a shit
Why are you
about
here?
what you are saying.
Why are you here?
Huh?
Why are you here?
To tell you,
Where are you from, sir?
To tell you, no one.
How
give a
long is
shit.
your visa for?
I am UAE. I don't need a visa. I don't need a visa to come here.
Why not?
You are in the visa.
No, we need to sort this issue out. Immigration. Why exactly do you not need a visa?
I will not talk about immigration.
Okay.
You have
I'm
a
confused now.
immigration.
Oh wow. Okay. Yes. Look at him. Can you imagine? Look at the level of confusion spreading even at Speaker's Corner. Look at this. The specimen. We need to subject this to proper scrutiny. Look at it. This is what is showing up at Speaker's Corner. Why is there hatred at Speaker's Corner? Why do Muslims employ violence at Speaker's Corner? Because of this level of intelligence. If you show up at Speaker's Corner with this level of intelligence, of course, you won't be able to use your brain. Islam from Arabia.
Best place in the world.
The best of Islam from Arabia, please.
Who said that? Who said that? Muslim. Who said? How you can say that?
Look, everyone knows.
Who's everyone? Who's everyone?
When people watch this,
Yes.
please listen. Please listen.
You are fucking pathetic.
He's asking me, don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Please keep distance. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Thank you. Thank you. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Listen to what I've said. Don't come near me. Is this clear? You come near me, you've encouraged my personal space. Don't come. Don't come. Don't come near me. Personal space. Personal space. Keep away. Keep away. In the UK, my dear friends, I understand you're all foreigners. Stay. In the UK, right now, please give me my personal space. Please give me my. In the UK, I will begin a zoo business right now. Zoo.
Sit here.
£5. I am really sorry. Today we have an Islamic zoo in operation at Speaker's Corner. Look at him. That's animal number one. Animal number. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at the sexual harassment. Criminals. Is that not sexual harassment? Showing up near me. Typical Muslim. That's a typical Muslim. What he does. No, not interested. Not interested. Thank you much. If he does that at Speaker's Corner, can you imagine?
I wish your mom slept that day. I did not brought you in the world. I wish she slept that day. I did not brought you in the world.
I know you are thinking always about sex, but please keep me. Thank you. Stay away. Stay away. Look at the sex animals. I'm really sorry, my dear friends. I earlier said that this is a zoo. Look at him. Look at him. I earlier said that this is a zoo. What I forgot to tell you is that this is an adult-only Islamic zoo. That's what this is. Sex material. Look at these guys. Can you imagine if these people do?
Why you're crying? Why you're crying?
Sit here,
Don't come into my personal. Don't come into my personal space. You come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal space. Okay, listen to me carefully, please. Hey. Don't come into my personal space. Is it clear to you? Maybe you're visiting. Don't end up in prison. Don't come into my personal space. Stay back. You come into my personal space. Stay back. Otherwise, you'll end up in prison. Don't do this. Stay back. Stay back. If you want to meet your parents back home, stay back. If you want to meet your sex partners back home, stay back. Don't come into my personal space.
Hey, personal space.
Don't come into my personal
Don't
space.
care. Got away you. Indies come looking.
Listen to me. Don't come in.
Indies come looking.
Listen to me. Don't come in.
Indies come looking.
Listen to me. Don't come into my personal space. You've come into my personal space. I will defend myself right now. Don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal space. I will defend myself right now. Don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal space. I will take this as an assault. Don't come into my personal space. Is this clear to you? Don't
Put your hands
come
down.
into my
Put your hands
personal
down.
space.
Put your hands
I
down.
will need to defend
your hands
myself.
down.
Don't come into my personal space. Don't dare. Unless you
your
want to
hands
end up in
down.
prison,
Put your hands down.
don't
Please
come
put your hands
into
down.
my personal space. If I could give you a good advice, stay away.
Away.
Stay away.
Away.
Clearly, you haven't grown up.
Grown up.
Stay away and get medical help.
Talking.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Move away. Move away. Shoo. Zoo, disperse. Please, disperse. All zoo members can now disperse.
No one will disperse.
Thank you.
Please put your hands out. Please.
Back to your asylums.
Indian.
Back to your zoo.
Put your hands out.
enclaves,
Put your hands
please.
out. Put your hands out. Put your hands out. Put your hands out.
You have come into my personal space. You're shaking already. Don't shake. You're shaking already. Don't shake.
He's scared. And he's sick.
You're shaking. Don't shake. Don't come into my personal. Don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal space. Is this clear? Don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my
Put your
personal
hands down.
space. Don't come into my personal space.
Hey, Rafik. وعشرة أمك.
Stay away. There's such a thing called personal space. Don't come into my personal space. Don't come into my personal
Put your hands
space.
down. Put your hands down.
Excuse me, sir. Don't come into my personal space.
Nobody's in your personal space.
You are
Nobody
already.
is in your personal space.
Thank you. Stay away.
Yes, Savila. Yes, Savila.
Don't shake. Get help for your nervous disorder. Amen. Thank you very much. Look at what you have learned from your Islamic Mickey Mouse Allah and your Muhammad. Look at what you have learned. There are children here. Stay away. Are you a cow or a donkey? What are you?
Believer of the
Stay
cow.
away.
Believer of the
Thank
cow
you.
is talking.
Thank you.
Believer of
Thank
the
you.
cow
Thank you.
is
Thank you.
talking.
Don't come in. Thank you. Stay away. Stay away. The Muslims of the UK will be ashamed of you. Stay away. Stay away. The Arabian clowns, please, if you can please stay. Thank you. Please stay away. Thank you. Please. Please stay away. Thank you very much. What do you learn? What do you learn from Jesus on the other hand? From Jesus, you learn peace. Peace. From, not peace, peace. Learn English first. Thank you. Don't shake. Don't P and
Don't
B
be
are two
Indian.
different things.
Don't be Indian.
Primary schooling, not
Indian.
primary schooling.
Indian.
Please.
Indian.
Thank you.
His accent, because I can correct your accent too.
Are you happy with this?
This Indian is covered.
Unless you are happy with, excuse me, stay quiet, sir. We're dealing with a problem here.
Put your hands down.
Are you mentally disabled?
Be respectful.
Are you a Muslim?
Be respectful.
Then deal with
Be
your problem
respectful.
here. Deal
Be
with the problem
respectful.
here.
Put your hands down.
deal with
Put your
the-
hands
I'm not-
down. Put your hands down.
I am maintaining
Put
distance.
your hands down.
This is my personal space to clowns. Clearly there are mentally retarded people here. I am just telling them where my boundary is. You might have an issue also. Learn something here. Don't encroach into my personal space. It's very clear. Thank you. If you can now take step backward and take the bus the nearest tube station or something else, that would be marvelous. If you stay here, please stay here. I'll move away because I generally don't spend much time in a zoo. Couple of hours and then I move away. So too much of time already in a zoo. Now I have to go. So I'll just give to 10 seconds. If the zoo participants here don't move away, I will end.
You're going to talk to this in a zoo.
In a zoo, yeah.
Yeah, you're so stupid, yeah?
What?
His God is in
You
the
say
zoo.
you
The
don't
holy
wanna
cow
stay
is
in
in
the
the
zoo.
zoo.
You're
He's a believer of the
Excuse me,
God.
sir.
Are you stupid?
Thank you.
Yeah, what the hell?
Another he thinks going to a zoo, you need to be
Isn't
stupid.
your God in the zoo? The cow? The cow is in
My dear friends, look at this person.
Insult everyone.
Maybe that's a Muslim also. Look at his primitive logic. He says, for me to speak to people of the zoo, I need to be stupid.
need to be gone.
I need to be stupid. For this gentleman whom I don't know when he woke up or if he still is awake or not, I'm not sure. Let me tell him something. I came to Speaker's Corner not thinking that I will run into zoo animals. It's zoo animals which have come here. What will I do? It's not my mistake. Now, thank you very much. I'll move on. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Thank you. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Thank you. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Follow your Muhammad. Don't follow me. Follow your Muhammad. Obey your Muhammad. Don't follow me and don't obey me. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're making not scared because of bodyguard.
You're harassing me right now. Stay. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't come into my personal space. Who are you with? Who are you with? Don't come near me, please.
Don't touch
This Arab
But the kid has come near. Please.
Don't touch kid.
Please.
Let the kid. Let the kid.
Don't come into. Okay. Okay. Maybe I'll move a little bit further. Clearly. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Mentally retarded people can stay at home. Don't follow me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Anyone with mental impairment, please bring your certificates next time before I can begin speaking to you. If you please hang your certificates here, where I can clearly see the address of your asylum, it would be really helpful. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, I shall get back to intelligent conversations, which means Muslims who have been surrounding me earlier can now go back to their home. Don't come near me because the IQ level, we are trying to bring it up. All right. My dear friends, what did I say earlier? I said earlier that Muhammad is against free speech. Muhammad abolished free speech in Arabia. Muhammad abolished peaceful coexistence with non-Muslims in Arabia. Muhammad took away the right to own properties of the non-Muslims in Arabia. And finally, Muhammad abolished. Anyone understands what is being said?
You're calling out their names. That's their names.
Okay. Roll call. Maybe they've forgotten. Don't worry. When your handlers come, shout out. Please shout out your names when your handlers come. Not yet. Thank you. All right. What did Muhammad do to civilization? Apart from various issues that I have brought up over the many months at Speaker's Corner, today I could bring out 4 specific details, 4 specific accomplishments of Muhammad in the world. Problem number 1, Muhammad abolished free speech.
Cameras is coming.
Muhammad abolished free speech. How do I know?
How?
I read to you Surah 68, Ayat 15 and 16. When our verses are recited to him, he says, legends of the former people. Some non-Muslim, please don't come in. Some non-Muslim rejected the Quran. When some non-Muslim rejected the Quran, what does the Quran say? We will brand him. Wait, I have a brain. Why would I say nonsense? I have a brain. I use my brain, I have one. Thank you. You see, someone with a brain and who uses will never say la or whatever nonsense you say. So, what does the Islamic Allah say? We will brand him upon his nose. If you are a non-Muslim and if you comment about the Quran, what will the Muslim, what will Muhammad, what will the Islamic Allah do? Punch you in your nose. Remarkable. Hey, you still want to go to the prison? What's that? Do you only hear bad stuff? Do you have selective hearing, my dear friend? Muslim? Are you Muslim? Only hear bad stuff? Yeah, I understand. Completely understand. When I am trying to speak sense, you are quiet. When someone is swearing, you speak up. So I completely understand. You must be a Muslim. And how old are you, say? 80? 90? You have children? Do you have children also?
2 chicken better.
No, 2 chicken. For all your 20 children, 2 chicken masala won't be enough. You don't know your mathematics. You don't know how to make sense. You've shown up at Speaker's Corner, and this is what your religion has done to you.
I have one question.
No, please.
One question.
No, I've asked a question already.
Okay, let me ask.
If you want to engage with the question I've asked, please.
Which verse you were talking about?
Surah 68, ayats 15 and 16.
15, 16.
Comment about the Quran, the Islamic Allah will punch you in your nose. Is that free speech? Please.
But in the verse,
Yeah.
in the verse,
Please come
it
in.
was talking about.
Please come
I
in.
don't-
No, please.
I don't want to come.
Well, in that case, I need. In the verse, yeah, in the verse, what?
In the verse, it was talking about specifically one person.
Yeah, in the verse, at least the gentleman is making an attempt, my dear friends. Unlike him, he has showed up here without knowing this is not a pub. There's no beer here. If you want beer, go to the closest pub, sir. I know Islam has been preventing you from having your beer all your life. Pedophilia, fine. Beer, no fine. That's Islam. Now he comes here and shouts out, that's a takbir.